Hello everybody, this is DDK, author of the fabulous recipe books that are out in the market everywhere, and you need to get yours. So my digits are 612-859-3270, and that's for DDK Recipe Books, Book 1 and Book 2. This recipe is in Book 1, and it's a version of one of the recipes in there because I always twist them a little different every time I make one, and you can do the same thing. That's how you learn to be creative. Now today we've got about 1.5 pounds of 85-15 or 80-20 chuck hamburger. And the seasonings that you're seeing on top of that are garlic powder, okay, onion powder, Montreal steak seasoning, which has got coarse ground garlic in it. It's got sea salt in it. It's got black pepper and a little celery seed, about a little less than 1/4 teaspoon, and a little less than 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed. Now the other seasonings that are in here, the garlic and the onion, about 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon, depending on your taste, okay? Then I'm going to put another little kick in it. I'm going to put some Corbel brandy in it. All right, and the reason why I'm doing that is because it enhances the taste and the flavor of everything you do when you infuse liquor, or booze as we like to call it, into your recipes. My sauces, my gravies, my meats, my jams and jellies, my pies, my desserts. If I can infuse them with liquor, I will do it. If I feel it's going to make it that much better and takes it up one more step. So it's less than 1/3 cup. This is saying 1/3, but there's not 1/3 in there, obviously. There's probably less than 1/4 cup of brandy, all right? That is going to go in here like that. And I'm going to mix this all up and let it marinate for a while because my family's coming over for dinner tonight, and we're going to have our 4th of July picnic dinner a little late, but it's still in the week of 4th of July, so it's really technically not late, right? So that's what we're going to be doing today at DDK's house, and I'm hoping you had a fabulous 4th. It's not over yet. We got the rest of today. Enjoy yourself, eat healthy, have a great time. Buy my recipe books because they're supporting our local food shelves to feed the hungry. You want to do that because we all should be doing that, helping our neighbors. This is your neighbor, Johnny Llanos, over and out. Ciao for now, babies.